Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to split pension between a spouse or common law partner. If you haven't already completed filling out your personal information and employment income, make sure you do so before beginning this process. To split pension, under Review and File, we want to click on Pension Split and then on Pension Splitting. For where it says, "Are you electing to split pension income?" select Yes. We will now see a new field appear under the previous one that will ask you if you are a transferor or transferee. For this tutorial, we will assume that only John Doe receives any form of pension income, while his wife Linda does not. As a result, we will designate John as the transferor. Our next step is to click on the Optimize button and wait. TaxTron Web will automatically compute the ideal amount of pension that John should transfer to his wife in order to achieve the greatest tax savings. Below, you will find a chart that compares the net income of both John and Linda before and after pension splitting. Additionally, it illustrates the amount of tax payable before and after the split. If you are satisfied with the calculated figures, you should proceed by clicking the Use This button. This action will automatically fill in the elected split pension amount field for you. The final step is to indicate whether you have included the Canada Pension Plan and Old Age Pension in the pension split amount by selecting either Yes or No. In this particular scenario, we will choose No. Now when we open John's detailed tax return summary, under Deductions, there is Deducted Elected Pension listed with the amount of pension income we decided to split with our spouse Linda. To confirm the completion of the pension splitting process, switch to Linda's return and navigate to her detailed tax return summary. Under the Income section, you should see Elected Split Pension Amount listed displaying the exact amount of pension, which in this case is $30,000, that John has split with her. This indicates that the pension splitting procedure has been successfully executed and applied to both John's and Linda's tax returns. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.